Hi guys, hope you're all doing good and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we are going to take a look at Dydx. Before we begin the analysis, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin a comment with two links, one to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and a second link to our website where you can find out more information about us and also check out all of the verified results from our premium signals group. So as I said, we're going to take a look at Dydx, and right now there's only really two charts, two time frames I'm interested in looking at on this, and that's the monthly and the daily time frame. So starting here on the monthly, we can see that this is obviously massively down from the all-time high. This is kind of September 2021, sort of middle of the previous bull run. And we can see we're trading down like over 90% down on that time. We can clearly see holding this monthly demand zone at the moment, which we saw sort of December when we got this move up. We kind of broke the previous accumulation area. So we're now holding this as support, and we can see how every month close has held $2 as support, and that's been the case now since February, so pretty much like 8-9 months. And this had a really strong start to the year. So what I'm looking for here is, if you're bullish on this long term, and considering we've reached heights previously of over $20, this is not necessarily a bad area to be accumulating now. If we consider that perhaps the next bull run sort of coming a year, 18 months from now, if this was to reach a new all-time high, of course we're going to be like 1,000% up from where we are now, something like that. So not a bad place to consider accumulating. As long as we do keep holding this monthly demand, then we can assume a push up. And if we start to get a monthly closure above $3.20 area, something like this, then that would be like a confirmed flip. And we could then, have more confidence that we are going to get a push up from there to start reaching the higher levels we were trading at previously. Start to accept below, monthly closures below $2, and obviously still not a bad place to accumulate, but you don't want to lose the all-time low here. But yeah, for me, this is good, and if we do get a flip of this level, then potentially bidding the retest is also a good place to take an entry. But as I said, also really interested here in the daily time frame, and as I mentioned at the start, this was probably one of the strongest performing coins in the first sort of month of the year. Since then it's been particularly weak, and it's way down on where we were trading in January. Now there's a really clear resistance downtrend from that high, from the 2023 high. Look how many times it's been tested on the daily and rejected every single time. We've also got clear support running from the end of 2023, and every daily closure has held this. And we can see how clearly this range is really, really tightening, especially over the last few weeks. And we're at the point now where we're going to see a breakout sooner or later. These lines are coming to touch. Now, if we get a flip of this resistance, so a flip and close above the daily, above $2.05, then we could be looking to target next up around this area where we have clear resistance since the middle of the year. So $2.20, that would give us like a pretty decent move, a 10% move once we get a confirmed flip of the downtrend resistance. Target $2.20. If this does reject again and we end up dropping out of the bottom, the support trend line here, then I have my eye here on this sort of daily demand area around $1.70, $1.63. We have wicked into it once before and got a really nice reaction from it there, really nice bounce. But potentially if we do close below, then perhaps a deeper test of this demand before pushing back up. That's one potential scenario, so keep an eye on the $1.70 area. But as I said, a flip of the resistance, catch the retest and push up to $2.20. That's kind of the two moves that I'm looking at for now anyway. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and let me know in the comments your thoughts on Dydx. Are you holding it short term, long term? And I will see you on the next video.